Here's one of the early Ford muscle cars, 1966 Ford Fairlane GTA. When I say it was one of Ford's early muscle cars, this car was developed, brought out to combat the Chevrolet Chevelle 66 and 67s that they dropped the 396 in, made SS's out of. So what they did at Ford, took the Fairlane, put a 390 in it, which this is a true 390 car, is an S-code car. And the GT would have been the top of the line in the Fairlane category. And like I said, S-codes had that 390 in it. And then the A, the GTA, the A stands for automatic. So GTs were manuals, the GTAs were automatics. You can decode the VIN on this car. Starts with a 6, going to be for the year. This particular one, I believe it was H as the second digit, which was Lorain, Ohio plant that it was built at. And then it's 40, if my recollection is correct. 40 is the GT Fairlane. And then obviously with the GTA on this one being a automatic, and the S code that comes after that. Go ahead and check out that VIN. You can see where I have pictures of it and all the still pictures on this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. And there are decoders out there so you can kind of go down through what I just said. I do not believe in 66 you could tell if this is an original engine. I don't believe Ford put VIN derivatives on their engines then. Correct me if I'm wrong. All in all, that's a little bit of the model and history of how you can tell what this car is. It's a beautiful white color, red interior car. Runs out very nice. Originally started out in the Southwest United States, has been restored along the line. And again, those still pictures, you can see the underside of this car. You can see where some of the undercoating and what have you has been rubbed off. Underside looks solid. You can see where there's metal, bare metal underneath that undercoating. So go ahead and check that out on the underside. I'd call this a very nice, maybe a little above a driver quality car. Riding on the nice Ford wheels along with the Redline Silvertown tires that just set this car off. It is a bucket seat car, of course. There's your automatic, center console. We'll slip around to the driver's side, start this up too so you can hear it run. Again, those still pictures I mentioned, if you want to see the undersides, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call if you'd like to discuss the car too, or if you'd like to know about transportation. We assist with transporting cars all over the United States. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Take a look down the side of it, see how straight this car is. Plenty of close-up pics of the interior, underside of the car, engine bay. Like I said, at uniqueclassiccars.com. When I had it on the hoist, there's a couple really small, I don't know if it's due to the stripe on there, a couple real small imperfections, but you go up above these wheel wells. This car does not appear to be a thick car. Like I said, it started out in the Southwest. So overall, I think this was a very solid body to start with, as you can see up and down and along there. I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side for you too, just so you can get an idea how nice and straight this car is. Of the rear wheel well. So nice the door fits there also. A lot of these older cars, you know, they didn't even come that well put together from the factory. Here's a couple other just little spots I noticed I want to show you. Pretty small. One kind of, that almost looks like it's more in the stripe there. GTA badging. Let's go above this front wheel. Give you a good idea. Again, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Go ahead and give us a call if you got any questions on this. Want us to snoop something over for you, check it out closer. We also welcome third-party inspectors. Feel free to set something up like that, have another set of eyes on it, see how that compares to our description, what we're saying. Door cars appear to be original. Interior, once again, very, very nice shape. Red interior, white car, white stripes on the outside. Let's go ahead and start this up. Odometer reads 96,501. Again, do not have paperwork to confirm or deny that. Obviously, the car has been restored along the line. There were a couple cracks in the dash, just so you know. Each side of the radio there. Quite common, especially in Southwest cars where it's warmer. Here, how smooth that runs. Well, aftermarket tack has been added. It does work. I played around with the fan and what have you a little earlier. That did work. Had the radio on, but didn't really let it warm up long enough. We'll turn that on and mess around a little bit, see if it comes on or not. See how nicely that door closes and sounds. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Love the 390 sound. Beautiful sounding car. Slip around up here. I'm going to pause this video a second and I'll pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay and that 390 underneath there. Alright, there we go. Hood's open. See how nice and tidy this is. See how smooth that 390 runs. It does have power steering. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. There you have it. Let's just double check that radio here quick before I end the video. I don't believe the radio works, but could be wrong. Does not seem to. Give you a heads up. There you have it. 1966 Ford Fairlane GTA. True S-code car. Everything checks out when decoding the VIN. Feel free to give us a call. Once again, that number is 507-386-1726. And of course, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com.